Okay, in this video, I'm going to try to show you how to use a document camera and a projector. And this particular projector is not the one with all the fancy pens, but it still does some cool stuff. So when I click down here on the little Wi-Fi symbol, I look for cast, and when I click that, it shows me this board, which is right over here. I can see the receiver name, and that is the receiver name that I'm looking for here, which is right here. And when I click it, it has to connect through the Wi-Fi. And then it did ask me for a PIN number. And an hour ago, the PIN number was up there, or actually just a few minutes ago. And the PIN number was giant on this board. And I was looking for a small number in the corner, so I didn't notice the giant PIN number, but it was huge. And I typed it in, and now, look, it is automatically connected. I didn't have to use the PIN number again. So this is cool. And you can see my tiles here. I'm just on ClassLink on the dashboard, and you can see it's showing the same thing up there. And if I go to the camera, which I put on my taskbar, but you can just go to your window start menu and then type camera up here, and it will come to the same place. So this is camera. And since I have this Epson plugged in, and this is an Epson ELP-DC07, you can see what I have put under here, and you can see it up on the board. Now I put the remote in the way just to make a point. And this is a book. I could turn the pages of the book. And in the software, right in the software, you can take a photo. So if you want to take pictures of a book to use as a reference with the kids in an assignment, that's possible. There is a freeze button here, and when freeze is on, the picture is frozen, and the kids can be looking at that picture while I am turning the pages, looking for a different picture. And let's say I find the picture that I want. I can now unfreeze, and I'm looking at the different picture. It's a picture of binoculars. And that is very briefly the document camera and how it works.